Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Getting a replacement Social Security card is actually pretty straightforward, and I'm going to walk you through the entire process so you know exactly what to do. Step 1. Check if you actually need a replacement. You'll want to request a new card if yours is lost, stolen, damaged, or if your name has changed legally. You don't need to replace it just because it's old or worn out unless it's illegible. Step 2. Gather your required documents before heading anywhere. You'll need to bring proof of citizenship like a birth certificate or passport, a valid government-issued photo ID, and proof of your current address such as a utility bill or lease agreement. Having everything ready saves you time. Step 3. Visit your local Social Security office in person. You can find the nearest office by going to ssa.gov and using their office locator tool. Walk-ins are welcome, but you might want to call ahead to check wait times on any given day. Step 4. Fill out the application form SS5. This is the official replacement card application, and it's pretty simple. The staff at the office can help you if you get stuck on anything. Step 5. Submit your documents and wait for your replacement card. After you turn everything in, it typically takes about 7 to 10 business days to receive your new card in the mail. Make sure you keep your receipt as proof that you've applied.